एडवांसिंग वेल्थ बाय मिनिमाइजिंग टैक्स बर्डन इज अ ड्रीम फॉर मेनी। आपका भी होगा, है ना? पर म्यूचुअल फंड्स की इतनी सारी टैक्स प्लानिंग स्कीम्स में से आखिर कौन सी चूज करें, ये सवाल हमें हमेशा एक इन्फॉर्म्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन लेने से रोक देता है। पर घबराइए मत, क्योंकि प्रोडिजी प्रो के साथ अब सब कुछ है आसान। All you need to do is open the app and click on tax planning. After that, you will see two options, lump sum and SIP. तो अगर आप एक साथ इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं तो चूज लम्प सम, पर अगर आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा करके इन्वेस्ट करना है तो SIP पे क्लिक करिए। इफ यू सिलेक्टेड लम्प सम, यू विल फाइंड recommended schemes to invest in, पर जिन स्कीम्स में आपको इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना है उन्हें डिलीट कर दीजिए। After clicking on continue, select your profile and click confirm. Then select folio, enter amount and click continue. You will see confirm purchase screen, after which you have to click continue. Now select your payment mode and bank. अगर आप immediate payment select करते हैं तो आप सीधा NSE के UPI transaction वाले पेज पे redirect हो जाएंगे। Enter your virtual payment address, which is nothing but your UPI ID, and make the payment. Now, if you select link on email option, then you will get a payment request mail to complete the transaction, जो आपको NSE के UPI transaction वाले पेज पे redirect करेगा, and rest of the process is same as before. If you have chosen UPI as your payment mode, you will get a payment request on your UPI app to make the final payment. Now, if you've selected net banking as your payment mode and chosen immediate payment, you will be redirected to your bank page. Fill in the required details after authorization. Now, you will be able to start your investment process seamlessly. In case of link on email option, you will get a payment request mail to complete the transaction. After clicking on link, you will be redirected to your bank page. The rest of the process is same as before. In case you want to invest through SIP, select profile and then confirm. Now select mandate and confirm. उसके बाद आपके पास एक continue का ऑप्शन आएगा, उसको क्लिक करके अपना फोलियो और अमाउंट स्पेसिफाई करिए। Now select a start date and either choose an end date or select the perpetual option and continue करने के बाद you will see an order summary. Now you have to click on continue. You will now get an authorization link over the mail and SMS that will help you to complete the process. So do not forget to authorize this mail or SMS link to finally complete the process. With Prodigy Pro, you have just taken the first step towards financial success.